QuickDam's water-activated flood bags and barriers are a great alternative to the heavy, awkward traditional sandbag. Traditional sandbags require sand, tools, heavy-duty equipment, lots of manpower, and countless hours to get the job done. QuickDam activates on-site with floodwater. Simply drop them in puddles, and in minutes, they're ready to stack. QuickDams are so compact that we fit 2,880 bags on one pallet. That replaces over 92,000 pounds of sand. It would take 72 pallets of traditional sandbags to equal just one pallet of QuickDam flood bags. Say you don't even use all 10,000 sandbags. The shelf life for unused sandbags is only 8 to 12 months and will get dry rot and fall apart, while QuickDam has a 5+ year shelf life for unactivated flood bags. Be proactive and be prepared. Keep QuickDams on hand for your flood control needs.